mu kalulu baali bangi naye abalunzi baasalawo bali Nusrah Nakigozi ne Solomon Kachungwa be baawangula akalulu akali ku MBI Makerere Business District. Nusrah Nakigozi nsazeewo mubaleetere attaanye mu puroguramu yaffe omuttaanya atuttaanyiza ensonga ezo ze yalaba mu kalulu ne byagenda otukolera. Okumire ku Dominion TV nakuleetera Nusrah Nakigozi.
Yamuyambako because he's my good friend. We share some cosmetics. So Atya omuntu ng'oyo is a friend. Nisemu mwena, of course, expect help from the both of you. I believe two is better than one. And friends can make a change.
Kati oyiseemu ojaguza tukuyozayozezza naye ojjukira bye wali osuubizza abantu bo abalonzi bo bakulinze essaawa eno. Tugambe nti emirimu gyo gitandise mu butongole otandiseeko.
Well, that is really a very sensitive question. For now, balina sikisuubira ssaawa naye I should always lower my expectations. So yeah, I won, we won. So after winning, but before the time they twawanguliramu oba contesting everything, kaali kaseera ka bibuuzo, buli muntu ali kwetegeka bibuuzo. So we really had that challenge. We want to perform, but at the same time tulina obstacle emabega. Yeah, netubeerawo. So after that week, remember when you win, there are a lot of people that want to interview you, some media houses. Like for example, you, that Dominion TV. Of course, omukyemani osanze nangenda kusoma lwalibuuzo. It has been so challenging. We want to perform, but again, tuli kusikibwa. Time temala, we want to fix this, media bita, responsibilities. But the only celebration tetwakola, we cut the cake, bana netubawa, to thank them. Yeah, basically because we so far started this office for 2 weeks. Yeah. Today makes that 2 weeks. Because we don't want to rush. We want to set strategies, of which we are doing, and I believe.
So Nusrah Ngabogandi, something has to be done. So you yongera okunnyonnyola abalonzi bo leero basiibule oba olina obubaka obubabeesabeesa mu kaseera kano.
Well, I know embeera nga weeri mu Uganda always held on, so we should always hold on. I know not everything is okay, and I don't want to promise you that everything is going to be okay because I'm not God, but I am going to try my level best. I do in my powers. I'll cross limits with my powers. I don't want to promise a lot, just as I said when I was contesting, but I want to change something. I want to leave a legacy. A legacy is something easy, but we have to leave something Gachidabwako. Mr. name is MBI 2022. They did this for us, and I believe when we come together with the students, we cannot do this alone. We have to do this as a team because I'm a fellow student. You don't have to expect a lot from me. So I want us to work together, because together can bring a big change. And I want you to respect yourself. That is what I feel. Respect yourself. Just know what you want. This generation, fellow students, all those that voted for me, man, maybe all I know, you did not make a wrong choice, and you cannot regret. You will not regret. You're gonna make a change, but my motivation today is hard work, it's talent. Just know what you want and pursue it. Thank you so much.
Alright, weebale kwekumira ku Dominion TV program ebadde omutaanya w'ensonga nga Nusrah Nakigozi akuttaanyiza ensonga ezo ezibadde zeezinze mu ssuubi nga tetuzimanyi. Colin Nanyonjo abadde akuweereza ekomere ku Dominion TV.